How to set up automation in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can set up automation in Wrike. Wrike's automation is a powerful feature that allows you to reduce repetitive manual work, speed up processes, and minimize human error. With automation, you can streamline various actions related to tasks, projects, and custom items, and this is how to get about it. The first step is to log in into your Rex account, just like I have done here. The next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options. Then navigate to your profile icon and click on it. Once you click on it, the box displayed, you see options like settings, workspace appearance, recycle bin, apps and integration, mobile apps, help, privacy, policy. Then just go ahead and click on settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page automatically. Okay, so on this page you can see some options by the left side of the screen, which include profile, work schedule, account info, email preferences, accessibility, workspace appearance, etc. Just go to automation and then click on it. Automation is located under the account management option. So if this is your first automation rule in the account, just like me, the next thing to do is to click the create rule button or the add new rule button. So this is it. Create automation rule. After creating it, now you'll be brought to the page where you'll be asked to um ask what would you like to automate. So the next step is to select what exactly you would like to automate. There are different kind of rules here, different kind of rules here, and are the recommended ones. But if you want to add a custom rule yourself, move to the top part of the screen and click on the add custom rule, where you can be given the opportunity to add your rule yourself. So once you click on add custom rule, you can see apply root tags when this happens, and if then do this and also do this. And then once you're done filling in all of this, just go and click on create, and then just like that, the automation will be set up automatically. And it's very easy to use. So, and then you can also decide where you want the rule to apply. Do you want it to apply to taxes or to projects? Ensure you select it and then you are good to go. So this is how you can set up automations in your account. Ensure you try it out, okay? Thanks for watching and have a good day.